Hi everyone, I am Dr. Umesh Jindal from Jindal IVF Chandigarh. I invite you to join me for Vibrate, an e-bridging intellectual platform of Indian Fertility Society. I am going to deliberate on poor responders. All women entering into the IVF program, nearly 40 to 50% have problems with the ovarian response. And it is a nightmare for all of us, but challenging to give them optimal number of oocytes so that they have a reasonable chance of success. Sperm donation is an easy and successful treatment, but you all know that most of the women would like to go for their own oocytes and their biological children. With the development of Poseidon classification, we are now a little better placed to prognosticate, to formulate treatment guidelines, and to evaluate the results of interventions we have. So, if you want to know the questions to all of these problems, join me for Vibrate on Tuesday, 25th August from 3 to 4 pm. I invite again for Vibrate, don't forget. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank Indian Fertility Society to give me this opportunity to interact with you, and also on behalf of the Indian Fertility Society, Zydus and DocMode, who have provided us with a generous educational grant and the technical support for this activity.